Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools at hand: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and some isopropyl alcohol for cleaning. You will also need high-quality thermal paste, which is crucial for effective heat transfer. Start by powering down your laptop and disconnecting it from any power source. Remove the battery if your model allows it. This is a vital safety step to prevent any electrical issues while you work. Next, flip the laptop over and locate the screws securing the back panel. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove these screws and place them in a small container to avoid losing them. Once all screws are removed, gently use the plastic spudger to pry open the back panel. Take your time with this step to avoid damaging any clips. With the back panel removed, you will have access to the internal components. Locate the CPU and GPU, which are typically covered by heat sinks. These components generate a significant amount of heat, making thermal paste application essential. Before proceeding, it's a good idea to clean the area around the CPU and GPU. Dampen a lint-free cloth with isopropyl alcohol and gently wipe away any old thermal paste. Ensure that the surfaces are clean and free from debris. This step is crucial for the new thermal paste to adhere properly. Now apply a small amount of thermal paste to the center of the CPU and GPU. A pea-sized amount is usually sufficient. When the heatsink is reattached, it will spread the paste evenly across the surface. If this seems too tricky, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, and our collection and delivery at your home can make this process easier for you. Once the thermal paste is applied, carefully reattach the heatsink, ensuring that it is aligned correctly with the mounting points. Secure it in place with the screws you removed earlier. It's important to tighten these screws evenly to avoid any pressure points that could lead to overheating. After securing the heatsink, take a moment to inspect the internal components for any dust or debris. If you notice any buildup, use compressed air to clean the fans and vents. This will help maintain airflow and prevent overheating in the future. Now it's time to reassemble your laptop. Carefully place the back panel back onto the chassis and secure it with the screws. Make sure everything is aligned properly before tightening the screws fully. Finally, reconnect the battery if applicable and power on your laptop. Monitor the temperatures to ensure that the new thermal paste is functioning effectively. If you encounter any issues, remember that we provide a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs up front. By following these steps, you can successfully replace the thermal paste on your HP Pavilion 15 BC450NS, enhancing its performance and extending its lifespan. Regular maintenance like this is key to keeping your laptop running smoothly for years to come. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery, with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.